today's video, I'm going to show you what a difference the right hair products can actually make. If there is only one product that you use aside from your shampoo and conditioner, I would always recommend a leave-in conditioner. Specifically, I usually recommend a multi-purpose leave-in product. So my favorite of all time, and I'll tell you how much of a favorite it is not only my favorite for myself, but I literally use this on every single one of my clients when I do their hair because I just think it works so well for literally everyone's hair. It is a professional product, but it's also not super expensive, so it kind of is accessible to everybody. And I really love the Miracle Creator 20. This is not sponsored. Matrix does not pay me. I just really love this product. I do have other recommendations for other brands, both drugstore and professional, in my Understanding Hair Products ebook that you can find in my comments, but this is my favorite. Specifically, what I'm going to show you today is how big of a difference it will make for detangling your hair. That's the number one thing when I use this product and somebody for the first time, they are shocked at how easily I can brush out their usually significantly tangly hair. Now, you know, if you've been here for a while, I don't love brushing my hair wet, and I usually just go in with a blow dryer without brushing it. I will apply this, any other styling products I'm going to use, and then I will just blow dry my hair without brushing it. But I'm going to show you today how much of a difference it'll make. So my hair has been shampooed and conditioned, but nothing else. All right, so I'm gonna spray it on this side, give it a good shake. Now, there is no way that this product should make your hair feel weighed down. However, it is a product that if you use too much, your hair will feel dirty and weighed down. But if you use the right amount, it will not feel like anything in your hair at all. So if your hair is feeling weighed down or dirty from using a product like this, then you are likely just using too much. Always start with less and then add more if you feel like you need more. I'm just gonna hold my hair up and spray, not too close because I kind of want it to distribute all over. And then leave my hair down so we get the top layer. Make sure I got the bottoms. And then I just kind of shake it all through, give it about 10 to 20 seconds before I go in with my brush. I am using the Framer detangling brush. Obviously with a non-detangling brush, it's gonna be even more difficult to brush through your tangles, but a detangling brush is gonna make a great deal of a difference. I like the Framer one, and I also love the wet brush, and I have a lot of wet brushes sitting around my house. So on this side, you can see as soon as I start to brush, there is literally, and I'm starting at the top on purpose so you can see, there is no resistance. It just goes through my hair like butter. So easy. Works super, super well. So now on the side where I did not put any product, I'm gonna start at the top like I just did, and you're gonna see immediately I'm getting resistance. Now my hair is pretty healthy and I did use conditioner, so could I get in there and brush this out? Absolutely. But, and I am not being dramatic, if you add the detangling spray, and this isn't just detangling, the Miracle Creator 20 is detangling, it is heat protection, it is leave-in conditioner, it is shine, it is reparative, it is 20 different benefits, which is why I like a product like that, because you're gonna get multi-use out of your products. And now, no resistance. Just look at that, just goes through like nothing. Slow, fast, doesn't matter. Makes a huge, huge difference. Use your leave-in conditioners, use your detangling sprays. They absolutely make a difference if you get the right one. Like I said, if you need my recommendations, they are there in my ebook, or just use the Miracle Creator 20 because I love this one. I love this one, and I'm pretty sure it is under $20 on Amazon. It is in my Amazon storefront. It is fantastic. This is my go-to all the time. I love it. And let me know in the comments if you try it, if you love it too, or which one that you do love. I'm always open to trying new ones. I hope that was helpful. Let me know if you guys would like me to kind of do specific videos on specific products if you find that helpful, and or anything else that you guys would find helpful. I am always happy to make videos about that because I am here for you. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Like and subscribe because you know that helps me out here. Send this video to any of your friends that you think it would be helpful for. And if you are new here, welcome to the DIY Hair School family. And hopefully after watching this video, you decided to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.